Tonight's dinner will be this 60 pesos budget dinner challenge, and this is the Silver Fish Omellete or the Tugnos omelette. Join me and I will show you how easy to make it. So here are our ingredients. I have 3/4 cup of silver fish or 1/3 kilogram. I have 1/3 cornstarch, 1 egg, 1 magic syrup, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Alright, let's begin mixing. Salt and pepper, and our magic syrup, and our egg. Alright, so here's my silver fish omelette. Thank you for watching and happy dinner. Bye!